So you want to transform your terminal with stunning themes and smart segments that is showing Git status, cloud info, language versions, and real-time system metrics like this, then you are in the right place. Let's take your Linux terminal game to the next level. Let's get started. Before jumping into the video, I would like to request all of you to hit that subscribe button. More than 98% of viewers are not the subscribers. So smash that button hard and join this elite penguin group. So I want you to open your terminal, which would look something like this. And I'm currently using CachyOS and I'm on KDE. That's why the console here. By default, it looks something like that. Before this, I want you to go to ohmyposh.dev, which I'll be using to set up different kind of themes for your terminal, whether it is Windows terminal, Linux terminal, or any of other terminal on different Linux systems. I want you to click on this button, get started, and this is the introduction concept. You don't need to go into the details, but you can go ahead if you want to. Now, since you want to use it for your particular OS, in my case it is Linux, you can use it for Windows as well as Mac OS and follow the instruction. These are quite simple, to be honest. I'll click this Linux button and here is the instructions. So you want to scroll down here, and to install this you will need to copy this command. So let's copy this and go to your terminal, type in this command, and it will install Oh My Posh on your system. Wait for a few seconds, then we will configure it. So now it is installed, then you can go ahead. Also, it is specified that if you want to install it anywhere else, you can do it by this, specifying the directory here. But if not, you can go with the default one. Click next. Here you can choose different type of fonts. So here are the instructions for the nerd fonts, and if not, you can also download it via Oh My Posh command directly. You can use this command to install the different type of fonts. So you can choose the Meslo fonts here, and it works great. I have already installed it, so I'll just go ahead and do it again. Copy that command and paste it here. Press enter, and it will download the Meslo font. Wait for a few seconds, then we will go ahead with the configuration further. Okay, so the fonts Meslo are installed, and jump into the next section here. Now I want you to copy this command. This will determine what shell you're using. It may be bash, it may be fish, which I'm using currently, and if you're using Windows, it's PowerShell. I want to go to the terminal again and type in this command, oh my posh get shell, and press enter. In my case it is fish, so I'll configure Oh My Posh with the fish configuration. So you can copy this particular directory where you want to specify this snippet. So let me just bring it up, type in nano and type in like this. So I was using earlier, so I'll just uncomment this. In here you can see that I need to specify it like this, so let's just do it like this only. Save it, and boom, now you can reload your fish terminal with this. And here we go. We have a working Oh My Posh configuration. It is a default one, not too bad, not too good. It's just how it is. But if you want to configure it, you can move on to the next section here. Let's just move next. Here you can specify and configure Oh My Posh in your terminal via this command. So if you have already downloaded the JSON files for the configuration for this, which is compatible, you can just copy this and go to the nano and use that nano command which we used earlier. Press enter. So in here you can paste it, or if you don't want to do it, if you just want to use a particular theme with the name, you can also do it. I find it very easy, just like this. So I'll just copy this, paste it here, save it, reload the fish again, and here we go. As you can see, there is a bit of change. This green, this added. I don't find this configuration very attractive, so I'll choose a different one. If you want to use different themes just like mine other than the default one which I configured just here, you can scroll down a little bit, go to the theme section here, and here we go. You have multiple number of different themes that you can configure in a simple step. If you want to do it like this, you can just copy, open your configuration again, remove this one and just paste it here, and then reload your fish configuration, and here we go. Now after changing configuration, you can see that there are some special characters available here. It doesn't look good, right? But that can be fixed as well. This is happening because I have not configured my terminal to use the specific fonts which we just downloaded. So I want you to go to the settings here. So I am using console, you can do follow this way, and or for other systems you can change your fonts for your terminal in your settings. In here you can just edit current profile and go to the appearance tab here, and here you can see that font I'm using is currently Heck. So you can choose different fonts here. Scroll down a little bit and here you can see our Maslow fonts. So there are multiple different number of fonts. You can see that it is currently changing live here. You can just choose whichever suits you. So I'll just go with the default one, the first one, and just press OK, apply it. Okay, so here we go. We have the working and correctly configured console, which have a beautiful interface and good looking with the colors and everything. So guys, that's how you configure your terminal. You can check bunch of different type of configuration, and also if you want to create and change something in your configuration, you can just go to its website and just open it here. You can download the configuration here and change it according to your need. That would be all for this video. If you find this video helpful, I would like you to subscribe my channel. It helps me a lot. Let's say goodbyes and donk.